Chapter 2 Human Reproduction Notes and Summary from Class 12th Subject Biology. Introduction. Humans reproduce sexually and are viviparous, give birth to young ones. Main reproductive events: first, gametogenesis, formation of sperms males and ova females. Second, insemination, transfer of sperms into the female genital tract. Third, fertilization, fusion of male and female gametes to form zygote. Fourth, implantation, attachment of blastocyst to uterine wall. Fifth, gestation, embryonic development. Sixth, parturition, delivery of the baby. Male and female reproductive systems differ in structure and function. Sperm production continues throughout life in males. Ovum formation ceases around age 50 in females. 2.1 The male reproductive system. Location: pelvic region. Components: first, testes, primary sex organs. Outside abdominal cavity in scrotum, 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower for spermatogenesis. Each testis approximately 4 to 5 cm, multiply by 2 to 3 cm. 250 testicular lobules, each with 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules. Inside seminiferous tubules, spermatogonia undergo meiosis, sperms. Sertoli cells provide nutrition. Interstitial spaces, blood vessels plus Leydig cells secrete androgens. Second, accessory ducts, retitestis, vesa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra, opens at urethral meatus. Function: transport and store sperms. Third, accessory glands, paired seminal vesicles, prostate, bulbourethral glands. Secretions form seminal plasma, rich in fructose, calcium 2 positive enzymes. Bulbourethral secretion lubricates penis. Fourth, external genitalia, penis, erectile tissue, glans penis covered by foreskin. 2.2 The female reproductive system. Components: first, ovaries, primary sex organs, produce ovum plus ovarian hormones. Size 2 to 4 cm, located in lower abdomen, covered by epithelium. Inside, stroma, cortex plus medulla. Second, accessory ducts, fallopian tubes, oviducts, 10 to 12 cm parts, infundibulum with fimbriae, ampulla, isthmus. Next, uterus, womb, inverted pear shape, opens into vagina via cervix, cervical canal plus vagina, birth canal. Wall layers: perimetrium outer, myometrium muscular, contracts during delivery, endometrium glandular, cyclic changes. Vagina muscular, elastic tube. Third, external genitalia, mons pubis, labia majora, labia minora, hymen, clitoris. Hymen can tear due to various activities not reliable for virginity. Fourth, mammary glands, 15 to 20 lobes, alveoli, mammary ducts, ampulla, lactiferous duct, then nipple. Produce milk post parturition. 2.3 Gametogenesis. A. Spermatogenesis. Location: seminiferous tubules. Starts puberty due to high GnRH from hypothalamus, high LH and FSH. Steps: first, spermatogonia, 2N, mitosis, primary spermatocytes. Second, primary spermatocyte, meiosis 1, 2 secondary spermatocytes N. Third, secondary spermatocytes, meiosis 2, 4 spermatids N. Fourth, spermiogenesis, spermatids, sperms. Fifth, spermiation, release into lumen. Next, hormones, LH, Leydig cells, androgens, spermatogenesis. FSH, Sertoli cells, supports spermiogenesis. Structure of sperm, head, haploid nucleus plus acrosome with enzymes, middle piece, mitochondria, tail, motility. 200 to 300 million per ejaculation, greater than equal to 60% normal shape, greater than equal to 40% motile. B. Oogenesis starts during embryonic development in females. Steps: first, oogonia, 2N, meiosis 1 arrested, primary oocytes. Second, at puberty, primary oocyte in tertiary follicle completes meiosis 1, secondary oocyte N plus first polar body. Third, secondary oocyte released during ovulation. Fourth, meiosis 2 completes only if fertilization occurs. Ovum plus second polar body. Follicle development, primary to secondary to tertiary to Graafian follicle to ovulation. 2.4 Menstrual cycle occurs in female primates, average 28 to 29 days, starts menarche, puberty, ends menopause, approximately 50 years. Phases: first, menstrual phase 1 to 5 days, endometrial shedding if no fertilization. Second, follicular phase, FSH plus LH rise, follicle maturation, estrogen secretion, endometrium regenerates. Third, ovulatory phase, approximately day 14, LH surge, ovulation. Fourth, luteal phase, corpus luteum forms, progesterone rise, maintains endometrium. If no fertilization, Cl degenerates, menstruation. Menstrual hygiene, bath plus clean regularly, use clean sanitary napkins or homemade pads, change every 4 to 5 hours, wrap and dispose of pads properly, wash hands with soap afterwards, do not throw pads in toilets or open areas. 2.5 Fertilization and implantation, site of fertilization, ampullary isthmic junction of fallopian tube. Fertilization occurs only if sperm and ovum meet simultaneously. Steps: first, sperm contacts zona pellucida, blocks polyspermy. Second, acrosomal enzymes, sperm enters, secondary oocyte completes meiosis second, otid plus polar body. Third, male plus female nuclei fuse, diploid zygote. Fourth, sex determination occurs at fertilization. Ovum X, sperm X or Y, XX female, XY male. Zygote cleavage, 2, 4, 8, 16 cells, blastomeres, morula, blastocyst. Trophoblast attaches to endometrium, inner cell mass, embryo. Implantation, embedding of blastocyst, pregnancy begins. 2.6 Pregnancy and embryonic development, placenta, formed from chorionic villi plus uterine tissue. Functions: exchange of nutrients, gases, waste. Endocrine organ, secretes HCG, HPL, estrogens, progestogens, relaxin. Umbilical cord connects embryo and placenta. Embryonic layers, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm, give rise to all tissues. Fetal development milestones: 1 month, heart develops. 2 months, limbs and digits appear. 3 months, organs formed, limbs and genitalia developed. 5 months, movements and hair. 6 months, eyelids separate, eyelashes. 9 months, fully developed fetus. 2.7 Parturition and Lactation. Parturition, process of childbirth. Trigger: fetal ejection reflex, oxytocin release, uterine contractions, more oxytocin, stronger contractions, delivery, placenta expelled. Lactation: mammary glands produce colostrum, Antibody rich. Breastfeeding recommended for infant immunity and nutrition. Summary. Humans are sexually reproducing viviparous organisms. Male reproductive system, testes, ducts, glands, penis. Female reproductive system, ovaries, ducts, uterus, vagina, external genitalia, mammary glands. Spermatogenesis and oogenesis produce male and female gametes. Menstrual cycle prepares uterus for pregnancy, regulated by FSH, LH, estrogen, progesterone. Fertilization occurs in fallopian tube, zygote, blastocyst, implantation. Placenta supports fetal development. Hormones maintain pregnancy. Parturition involves neuroendocrine reflex. Lactation nourishes the infant. So friends, we have completed notes and summary of chapter 2, Human Reproduction. We will do question answers of this chapter in a separate video. If you like the video, kindly like, hype the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.